In this video, I will show you how to fix no camera option in Snapchat on iPhone. So let's get started. If you are facing no camera problem when you open Snapchat application, then try following steps to fix the problem. First, open App Store on your iPhone. Now search for Snapchat. And check if there are any updates available. If there are any new updates, then tap Update to update Snapchat app. The other way is to check camera access to Snapchat. To do that, open Settings app. Now look for Snapchat app and tap to open. Here you will find camera option with toggle button. Just make sure that camera toggle option is enabled. This way you are granting Snapchat to access your iPhone's camera. Once done, open Snapchat and check if camera is working in your iPhone. As you can see, now camera has started working. But if this way is not working for you, then the last option is delete the app and reinstall it. So to do that, just long press on the app icon and then tap on remove app. In the pop-up, just tap delete app and this will uninstall Snapchat from your iPhone. Next, go to App Store, search for Snapchat and you can download and reinstall the app. So with these three ways, you can fix no camera option in Snapchat on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.